Alright, so
What are you doing?
being bored on the sofa, doing nothing.
Why?
I don't know.
Because the lights went out, huh?
Yeah, the lights went out.
I wonder who forgot to pay the bill. No TV, no computer,
No
no
PlayStation,
PlayStation, no lights,
Yep.
can't do laundry.
David said he's going to the restroom, but he hasn't came back yet. I don't know what happened.
I wonder if he got stuck in the toilet.
Probably had chorro. Oh crap!
What the heck?
Oh, crap.
Let's go see what let's go see what that was. I think he fell.
Freaking gay David. Come on, Lisa. David, you're right.
David.
David. In the restroom. Put the light. Put the light in the restroom.
There's no light. There's nothing here. The heck? Dirty room.
David.
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 Hmm.
Come
I
on,
wonder where he's at.
let's go check in the garage.
Hold on. I'm scared. What the heck? Did you hear that? Oh.
The light. The light.
There's no light. The lights went out. It's all, the lights are on. There's nothing in here, just this truck. What the heck was that? Oh shit, what the heck was that?
Come on, let's go here. Let's go here.
Something outside.
Yeah. Lisa, put your phone down. I need to show you something. Put your phone down.
Okay, hold on, I'm gonna put it down over here.
Hurry!
What?
Hurry! Look!
What?
Put your phone down. I need to have
What?
Do you see that? What? You see that?
What is it? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! What the heck?
Oh my god.
What the heck is that? I'm looking at my phone. I need to record it.
Come on, Lisa, hurry. What's that?
What is it?
Looks like doo-doo.
Green dude.
Damn. Nice.
What the
Let's go
heck?
back to the living room.
Okay, let's go.
Lisa, there's been some horrible crap in here, I swear.
My house is haunted. Let's go.
Leave the door open a little bit.
I wonder what that noise was.
Right here.
Kind of weird.
Mm-hmm. But I don't know. That's kind of weird.
I wonder where David's at.
He's not in the toilet.
I don't know. He's not in the toilet.
Sit with me.
I think he fell inside.
He got flushed.
He flushed himself in the toilet.
Mm-hmm.
Which way? Hi, Bob. Hold on, let's record ourselves. Say hi. Oh wait, let me turn the light off.
That one, yeah. That one.
Say hi, Dion. Hi.
No,
Say hi, Dad. Say hi again, Dion.
Let's flip the camera. I want to see ourselves through the mirror.
Oh, okay. I don't know you can do that.
Not that one. I
No.
flip it.
No, you can't.
Okay.
All right. What now?
Where's David?
What the heck?
I'm kind of getting wet.
Oh shit, what the heck is that?